What do we have to do?
We're going to jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
What do you have to say to your mother? Because I know this is a secret.
I know I'm going to get caught when I get home. And I kind of deserve it. It's okay, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Anything to say before we get to the airport?
It's going to be awesome and I'm excited to go.
You're right on. 8,000 feet, door opens, I put my foot up. I say, put your feet up. So you lean back into me, put your feet high in the door, grab your feet if you have to. So get them out and put them out on the step. So we can lead. Cross your arms so you're not holding on to anything. Head back to start your arms position. Now the most important, take a feet down. And roll. And all I'm going to say is ready, set, go. And we're going to leave our feet on the step and we're just going to roll out. Roll out. Yep. And go with the flip. One. So, we've rolled out of the airplane. Your arms are still crossed. I'm going to do a couple of checks on my gear to make sure everything's perfect. And then I'm going to tap your arms. At that point, bring them out to the side. Yeah. Camera's going to be over here. You can come in and give thumbs up. You can do whatever you want at this point. 5,000 feet, I open the canopy. I'm going to bring down the steering line. There's loops underneath the one with my hands in it. You put your hands in there. Now you're driving. Go down on right, you go right. Pull down on left, you go left. I will talk you through everything. We're going to have some fun. Do exactly what you want. At about 1,500 feet, I'll take control of the parachute, and we're going to fly around and practice some landing. On landing, the only thing I can't do for you is feet up in front of you. With one leg, don't try both. Yeah. All you need to do.
We'll see. Maybe we'll see. If you're free this evening. How can I get you back home with me? I'm going to bed, but I could use a little company.
Look at that altimeter. We're in the ground like
Lord, I do.